Okay, students. Good morning, students. We will discuss about continue our discussion about entrepreneurship. That is module 3 in your subject management and entrepreneurship. Today we will look at the role of entrepreneurship in economic development. Okay. Then what are the barriers to entrepreneurship? Then we will see the sources of business ideas. Then there are some feasibility studies like market feasibility study, technical feasibility study, financial feasibility study, and social feasibility study. Okay. So please tell me what is the role of entrepreneurship in development of economy. Just I can give some example of suppose in Karwar you have got, what I understand is you have got some 10 maybe ice making plants. Then you have got Aditya Birla factory there, right? And some shops and some service centers. Whereas if you take Varna Goa, they have got a big industrial area. They have got a lot of pharmaceutical industries there. Okay, lot of manufacturing industries like big companies, Cipla, Pfizer, Siemens, D-Link. So many big companies are there. I think thousands of people are working in Varna, if I am correct. Thousands. Even from Karwar, lot of people every day they go to Goa, work and then return back. I think you are aware of this, correct? So keeping this as a clue, now you talk to what happens if you have got more entrepreneurs, more industries. Like yesterday, there was a discussion and you said somebody wants to open a hospital, somebody plans to have a pre-owned car showroom, somebody wants to have a franchisee of a electrical vehicle, somebody wants to have a retail textile showroom. These are the opinions. So what happens if you open this? Otherwise, what happens? You are going for searching of a job. You are a job seeker rather than a job provider, right? And today's world, you think jobs are definitely a lot of jobs are available, but jobs are available for the people with proper attitude. That is very important. I will tell you one thing, honestly I will tell you, if you don't have a right attitude, positive attitude, then any job you cannot stay there for long. And that is why actually if you look at any companies, they will ask you how much experience you have got. If you say I worked for 3 months in one company, 4 months in another company, then it indicates that you did not really work. You joined them, you are not happy, you left. Correct? You agree with me? Even it may be professional as well as personal. If you have a long-term relationship, means you are a stable person, you are an understanding person, you can work as a team. It speaks of a lot of the qualities of an individual, right? Now, what will happen if there are industries, you start up these things in Karwar? So you will employ, what will happen? You will employ some people, correct? You will get some raw material, you will sell some products, right? So there will be exchange of material, there will be business, there will be employment, better employment prospects, correct? Instead of people going far away to buy something, they are able to buy it in their own backyard or at their own hometown. You agree with me? So this entrepreneurship drives the economy in a very big way. Today if you look at India as a country, now which are the top companies in India, software companies in India? Wipro, TCS, IBM, Infosys, HCL, Accenture. Very good. So I am very sure you are going to become employees in these organizations only, because you do not have guts to open entrepreneurs. Guts is different. These guts and cuts, they don't come immediately. You have to do a lot of workout. You will not get cuts. What do you say, Mr. Shamsuddin? Cuts you will not get immediately. You have to do a lot of workouts, then only you will get cuts. Similar is with your guts. You don't get guts by eating something or drinking something. You need to do a lot of churning in your mind. Okay. So now what I was trying to tell is, now you told HCL, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, TCS, IBM, all these things. They are also entrepreneurs. Please understand. They did not fall from the sky. They did not fall. You have studied all these stories, correct? all the stories you have studied. So they were also like you, but they had a team, they had a dream, they had a dream to do something good, to serve somebody's needs. Please understand, organization like service, I told you there is manufacturing organization or service organization, like teaching is a service organization. This software is basically a service organization. Okay, mostly it is service. They produce some softwares, but mostly they do the support of the. So what happens? Lot of employment. Even the country wide. So can you imagine our country? Suppose tomorrow all these companies disappeared. Then तेरा क्या होगा, आयशा? You got my point? I have made a very strong point now. ठीक है कि tomorrow from India all these companies wind up. Then you have a longing or you have a desire to join these companies. You have a desire to grow in these companies. All the software, the mad rush for software in 2021 will vaporize. So my only point what I want to make is, these people who have started up these enterprises, all these giants what you have named, they are today global giants, they were also like you. They were also students somewhere. They also had a dream. They made a team. They even pledged their wife's gold also. They started a company. You know this all. I did not tell. And today 20 years, 30 years, 40 years down the line, today they have made money, they have made a big name in the society. Please, I am not talking about money, but they have made a big name in the society. You agree with me? And they have made their life easy. Even today, if you look at 2021, the income tax software has been developed by Infosys. You are aware? Infosys has been given the work of developing the software for Indian income tax space. I think more than 5 crore people file taxes, returns. So that much transactions have to happen on that platform. So entrepreneurship plays a big role. You see Bangalore for that matter. Lot of people working software, boys, girls, lot of them are going and working in software. Mysore also, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, correct? You name the place, you have got big software industries there, correct? You agree with me? So this was about role of entrepreneurship. So a lot of capital flows. Capital means money flows. It provides employment. Okay? It gives development to the region. Okay? It stimulates the equitable redistribution of wealth. Encourages effective resource mobilization. So it induces backward and forward linkages for economic development of the region. It improves countries' trade. Like all this foreign exchange, what we get is through these companies only. Okay. So one part we have completed. Now we will look at what are the barriers. Why people are not becoming entrepreneurs? What are the barriers to? Tell me. What are the barriers? क्या तकलीफ है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, क्यों नहीं बन रहे लोग? तुम क्यों नहीं बन रहे? डोंट सी बुक एंड टेल व्हाई यू आर नॉट बिकमिंग. Money, you don't have the capital. First is you don't have the capital. Sir, I will tell you, if you Google Oyo, Ritesh Agarwal, if you Google Mark Zuckerberg, any these top fellows, Steve Jobs, they never had money. Mark Zuckerberg used to eat temples in US, free food he used to eat when he was poor. Okay, please read his stories. So, and today's world, if somebody are great, they are only because of knowledge and teamwork, not because of टाटा के पास पैसा था, बिरला के पास पैसा था. तो वो था भाई, लैंड था, पैसा था. आज का टाटा बिरला वो लोग नहीं है. आज के छोटे छोटे जो स्टार्टअप इंडिया वाले हैं ना, फ्लिपकार्ट वाला बंसल, उसके बाप ने बनाया क्या? वो नहीं, उसने बनाया. अमेजन, जेफ ब्रदर्स के बाप ने बनाया क्या? नहीं, उसने बनाया. तो दे आर मेड पीपल हु आर सेल्फ मेड. फर्स्ट जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं? फर्स्ट जनरेशन, उसके बाप ने नहीं किया, उसके बाप ने किया और उसने भी किया तो वो सेकंड जनरेशन हो जाता है. गॉट इट? वन कैपिटल. नेक्स्ट आयशा. See, unless you put yourself in that shoes, now there is no fun in talking. You have to understand होता क्या. हाँ, yes. Fear, a beautiful thing. It excellent point. I like Lester very much because he speaks the truth. One thing I will tell you, Lester doesn't care कि साला कौन क्या है, मेरे को बोलना है बोल देता हो, आगे का बाद में देखेंगे. तुम लोग डरते हो, मैं तुमको देखा हूँ कल भी. When I was asking that SWOT analysis, nobody came out with my weaknesses. क्यों तुम डरते हो? अरे मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ तुमको? बात डर की नहीं है, बात सच को बोलने का भी जिगर चाहिए. द फियर बेसिकली द बिग फियर ऑफ फेलियर बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? बेसिकली इट्स कॉल्ड फियर ऑफ फेलियर. सी इवन टुडे लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप, देयर आर लैक्स ऑफ स्टार्टअप, लैक्स, मोर देन 80% ऑफ देम फेल. बात वो नहीं है सर, बात ये नहीं कि कौन फेल हुआ. एक आदमी भी अगर कुछ चेंज ला सकता है ना, लाइक इन्फोसिस इंडिया का, TCS इंडिया का, विप्रो इंडिया का, अगर एक आदमी अजीम प्रेमजी, ये लोग अगर कुछ करते हैं ना तो ये नॉट दैट सी पीपल डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स एज अ सर्विस टू द मैनकाइंड. आई टेल यू ऑल दिस वेल्थ, आई एम नॉट अ फिलोसोफर बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये पैसा कोई मायने नहीं रखता. पैसा चाहिए तुमको कॉलेज फीस भरने के लिए, आने के लिए, दैट इज़ अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट. जीने के लिए तुम कितना साल जियोगे या मैं कितना साल जाऊँगा, खाऊंगा कितना मैं, तो वो पैसा बहुत कम लगता है. बट ये लोग क्या है ना, उनको एक जुनून है कि कुछ करना है. दे आर द पीपल हु मेक द डिफरेंस. अदरवाइज नॉर्मल पीपल लाइक यू एंड मी, हमको क्या है, चल थोड़ा आता है, पैसा आता है, ओके खा लेते हैं, जी लेते हैं. तो दे डोंट अकम्प्लिश मच इन लाइफ. आई एम टॉकिंग नाउ अगेन फिजिकली, अकम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ फिजिकल थिंग. नहीं तो तुम साधु बाबा बन जाओगे, ठीक है, फकीर बन जाओगे, ठीक है, क्या क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सूफी संत बन जाओगे, वो नहीं. वो भी सी दैट इज ऑल्सो वन. इंडिया हैज़ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटेड लॉट टू दिस फिलोसॉफिकल वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो. फिलोसॉफी में इंडिया इज़ अ वर्ल्ड लीडर. ठीक है, जो इंडिया के जो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस है, योगा, meditation and all, they are huge contributions to the world. Now the point here is, these people have a burning desire in their heart to do something good to the country, good to the people. Actually basically they are solving somebody's problem. Any entrepreneur, he is trying to solve the problem. Please understand. ठीक है, when you think that I am going to solve a problem, then only you become a successful employer. Means you are meeting the needs of a customer. That is very important. मेरे पास पैसा, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, ये important नहीं है, लोगों को ये चाहिए इसलिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. You got the difference? I want to start a hospital, ऐसा नहीं है. Because we see that in Karwar there are no good hospital, no good laboratories. People are going to Mangalore, Hubli, Goa for treatment. So in that case, we want to set up a good hospital in Karwar. So this is the way. It should come the other way around. Not because I got money, I am a doctor, I want to start. You understand? There is a lot of difference. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. You are supposed to, means as an entrepreneur, people are supposed to meet the needs and requirements of people. Got the point? So lack of capital, lack of knowledge. Some people may say, sir, I don't have that knowledge. पैसे का knowledge नहीं है, business का knowledge नहीं है, या how transaction happen. You may not have knowledge. Then non-availability of raw materials and resources. Suppose you want to start up now EV vehicle service center, then you should have the spares and all. वो भी नेटवर्क आना चाहिए, नहीं तो तुम्हारे पास स्पेयर ही नहीं है तो तुम क्या रिपेयर करोगे. तुमने ईवी बना दिया, एक इंडिकेटर टूट गया एक आदमी का, तो तुम्हारे पास रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए चाहिए ना वो. So spares are also required. Got it? Now especially hospitals, you require the medicines. Correct? New things are required, not the old one. At least now latest, whatever the customer demands, those things should be available. Then lot of government regulations are also there. Because see, whatever today EV I told is supported by Government of India. So lot of people, thousands of people are joining into this bandwagon. Lot of startups are there now. You see now Ola, that car they are making, na, world's largest scooter factory. Then Arthur is there. So many big companies are there now, even small companies and big companies. You got my point? So some people are trying to take the advantage of the government policy. That is also one big Then the fear is globalization. People will have fear of globalization. Today in education also, government of India has allowed foreign universities to come to India and set up campuses. So tomorrow, maybe 10 years down the line, you will feel a lot of foreign universities also in India. Okay? People today, actually every year almost 20 lakh people, students go abroad, Indians, to US, Canada to study. Especially higher studies, not for undergraduate programs, but postgraduate programs, they go. Those who have got money, chal jaya, thoda paisa kharch karega, he studies there, ultimately he becomes a citizen there only. वही बोला ना, बढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा अमेरिका. सुना है ना, दिस इज अ न्यू स्लोगन. So that is so people are tapping on our Indian talent, and you see a lot of the Silicon Valley में top companies. Who are the bosses? Indians are the bosses. तो है ना, इसलिए पढ़ेगा इंडिया तो बढ़ेगा अमेरिका. ऐसा दिस न्यू स्लोगन, नॉट ये. And market also may be not predictable. Today I am telling that yesterday we discussed 1 lakh people, so around 20,000 customers. Size they have got. So that may also change. Tomorrow some other technology may come and you say this is not good, we will go for that. Technology change also happens. I don't know whether you are aware, before this mobile phone came, there were pagers. You have seen pager? Small devices to send messages. Before that you have landline phones. So today where are these? Landline phone, pager, no one uses those. Outdated. Got it? So you understood what are the barriers. So fear is a barrier, capital is a barrier, okay? Then market is a barrier, government policies are barrier. So there are so many barriers. But जो बंदा means he has a strong desire, inclination. It is not that all of a sudden after degree you will get into entrepreneurship. You may work for 4-5 years, you will get some experience, you will make some money, you will develop your network, then you can venture. All these companies, whatever you see, I give example of Varna Industrial Area in Goa. So उसका बाप ने बनाया क्या वो? They have started, they have tried, let us experiment. Got it? So these are the barriers. Now how you find out the business opportunities? तुम ढूंढते कैसे हो business opportunities को? Yesterday we had a discussion on this ना कि अगर हमको now you said I want to open a hospital service center ये how you said this is only by your analysis, correct ना? तुम्हारी सोच से, सिर्फ तुम्हारे सोच से नहीं होता ना. So to find out business opportunities you will do SWOT analysis, okay, of the business opportunities. कोई भी opportunity का analysis करोगे. Then market feasibility study होता है. क्या होता है उसका? Market feasibility study. What they do, you know, you go to the market actually. Suppose I will give one electrical vehicle he wants to sell. Some 40,000 rupees ka he has got a entry level vehicle. Then what he will do? He will go to the people who are interested in buying. He will go to the showrooms also. Current bike showrooms. Bike का now cost 1 lakh rupees. तो अगर 40 लाख रुपए में दे रहा है तो he'll talk to customer ऐसा देना चाहते हैं ये. So you'll get क्या feeling है लोगों का. Actually all these products I'll tell you, whatever are manufactured, they are manufactured for certain segment of the customers. अभी iPhone भी है 1,30,000, OnePlus भी है 40,000, ठीक है. 10,000 रुपीज़ का भी फ़ोन है. ये हर एक फ़ोन का एक सेगमेंट है. आईफोन लेने वाला 10,000 का नहीं लेगा फ़ोन, और 10,000 वाला ए फ़ोन ले. बात पैसे का नहीं है, पैसे खर्च करने का भी है, ठीक है. इट इज़ नॉट दैट सब ऑल रिच पीपल विल बाय iPhone. नो, rich people may buy 10,000 rupees phone also because but especially there is a segment of customers. एक segment रहता है जो पैसा खर्च कर रहा है. See now lot of you see the phone business globally, not only India. Every second so many mobile phones are sold because it is a very effective tool. Now I am recording this class audio on this, so it has got lot of features. Earlier days it was not the case. It has got a camera, it has got FM radio, it has got recording facility, video recording facility, calculator, calendar, all those things. And the social media, WhatsApp, Facebook and all. You are getting me? So one is technical feasibility. Then second is financial feasibility. As you said कि पैसा का क्या होगा, तो नॉलेज नहीं है तुमको पैसा आता कैसा है जाता कैसा है. But all these people have loans. It is not that people don't start without loan. People take loans and then start. That risk we have to take. There is a element of risk with enterprise. ठीक है. नहीं तो you do job में क्या है, no risk. You go 9 to 5, you get salary. Then there is social feasibility study also. Social feasibility, I also give example. You want to do something good, then society will help you. If you want to do something bad, society will help you? No, they will say no. There will be a police case. There will be social unrest. हो जाता है ना. अभी कोई फैक्ट्री आ रहा है तो it is going to put lot of pollution. Means people will object to that. Correct? So you need to study the government policies also. क्योंकि जो government now you might have seen most of the car manufacturers also like Hyundai, Maruti, Tata, Mahindra, they have gone into electrical vehicles already because government is promoting in a big way. जो government promote कर रहा है तो हम भी वही करेंगे ना. Against नहीं जा सकते. When the government has taken a policy for another 10 years, we want to improve the penetration of electrical vehicles. So most of the people are getting it, and that is why government has got a scheme called FAME. You heard of FAME? FAME, FAME 1, FAME 2. Lot of money is being found. That is why you are finding these vehicles at such a low cost, 50,000, 1 lakh rupees. Otherwise, it was very costly earlier. The batteries, especially that electrical vehicle battery, that itself cost 40 to 50% of the vehicle cost. Lithium ion batteries, now latest sulfur ion batteries will be coming. Okay, you got it? So these are the barriers. And business ideas, from where you will get? Business ideas, you see, you will get some, there is some demand, but it is not fulfilled. I told something I want to buy here, petrol bunk, as you said. I want to buy petrol. Many people want to buy petrol in Majali, but do you have, there are hundreds of vehicles in Majali, but they don't have a bunk. So they go to Sadashivgarh, Karwar, even Goa. Correct? If there is a lockdown, they can't go there. So there is a demand. Correct? That is why you see that even small fellow, he will bring and they sell in bottles. That is wrong. That is not allowed actually, because it is highly inflammable. It can cause fire hazard. Right? Then cost of production. If somebody wants to produce something or service, so what is the cost involved? अगर गोवा में सस्ता मिलता तो यहाँ क्यों लेगा कोई? Cost is a very important criteria. ठीक है? Even today, if you see any product, even this mobile phone, it's not that everything is manufactured in India. Some key components still are imported. Okay, so it depends on the cost. Even iPhone, I was talking, it is not USA manufactures iPhone. It is manufactured with China, Taiwan. So many companies, products come, they assemble and sell. You got my point? Then selling price and profit. So ultimately people do it for profit. So the selling price should be something which the customer is able to afford. Got it? Nah? Otherwise, who will buy? I told you 4 lakh rupees EV if you are selling. BMW has got bike. BMW bikes are almost 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. The entry level itself is 4 lakhs. So you think many people will buy? Very few people will buy, but the market pie, means the share of these high-end things are very low. Got it? Especially in India. India, even today, 50% of the cars sold are Maruti. 50% of the cars sold are Maruti. That is the cheapest car. Got it? Then demand. What is the demand? Customer demand is the most important thing which drives any enterprise. I told you ना, you cannot start something because तुम्हारे पास पैसा है, मुझे ये करना है ना, that is secondary. मुझे ये करना नहीं, लोगों को चाहिए इसलिए मैं कर रहा हूँ. Correct? Present demand and the demand forecast. Not only today's demand, but what happens to the demand in future. See, earlier the engineering had was a huge demand. People used to pay lakhs of rupees donation and take admissions in engineering. Today, students are scared to get into engineering. Demand, see, what demand tha 5-6 years, we also had a good time. Very lot of students coming from Goa. I think 50% of my students were coming from Goa. 70% of the revenues were coming from Goan students. But today, what is the situation? Goa itself admissions are not happening. So many seats are vacant. Then why they will come here? You understand? Demand, present demand as well as future demand. Then market share. what is the market share? I told you, I gave an example yesterday. Similarly for any product, like she wants to start a hospital. So hospital, how many hospitals are there? How many heart hospital, kidney hospital? Now all specialized hospitals are there, government hospitals are there. So what will be the share of customers coming to me? Okay, and the target market. I told you target market segment is very important. Any product, you take any product, they have got a proper market segment. Even cold drinks, clothes, whatever you name, target customers are there. There are economy items, there are middle level items, there are premium items. So अलग अलग के लिए अलग अलग मार्केट. वो बंदा इधर नहीं आता, इधर ये बंदा उधर जाता नहीं. Got it? Okay. Now the last part is we will see the studies: market feasibility study, technical feasibility study, ठीक है, फाइनेंशियल फीजिबिलिटी स्टडी एज वेल एज सोशल फीजिबिलिटी स्टडी. तुम करना चाहते हो तो तुमको फीजिबिलिटी स्टडी करना पड़े. बट उससे पहला वन सी द बिजनेस आइडिया आता कहाँ से है. वो तुमने अभी देखा ना, कहाँ से आता है बढ़िया बिजनेस आइडिया. ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट यू स्पोक, तुम्हारा खुद का आइडिया बोला, ओन आइडिया. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, आई टोल्ड देयर शुड बी अनफुलफिल्ड डिमांड. देयर इज अ डिमांड एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू फुलफिल इट. देन व्हाट इज द ट्रेंड. ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है टुडे. एवरीबडी इज वेयरिंग दिस पैंट विथ बॉर्डर, ऐसा क्या पेंसिल कट समथिंग. माई पैंट्स आर लाइक दिस. व्हाट इज दैट. माई सर इनका अलग है, साला मेरा अलग है. मैं जाके फिर चेंज किया. ठीक है ना ना, आई गॉट दिस चेंज ऑल माई पैंट बिकॉज माई पैंट्स वर लाइक दिस ब्रॉड. देन आई थॉट अरे साला आई डिडंट ऑब्जर्व, बट व्हेन फोटोग्राफ दैट आई यूज्ड टू पुट इन फेसबुक आई सॉ अलग है, इनका अलग है, मेरा ही अलग है पैंट. फिर मैं अरे फिर पूछा, अरे बाबा ऐसा फैशन ऐसा, ओ ऐसा है क्या. देन आई गॉट इट चेंज. दिस ऑल्सो आई गॉट इट चेंज. So you should know what is the trend basically. Otherwise you look odd. And nobody tells me, but I saw myself. अरे ऐसा है क्या. Then I changed. Then there will be some magazines or research publications, पेपर में अगर आता है ना, जर्नल्स में. Then गवर्नमेंट के कुछ आइडियाज रहते हैं. गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो वांट्स टू प्रमोट, लाइक तुमने देखा है कि नहीं, सम SEZ स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स बनाते हैं. उसके इंडस्ट्रियल के गवर्नमेंट का भी बहुत बड़ा प्रमोशन है. दे वांट टू प्रमोट इंडस्ट्रीज. इंडस्ट्री आएगा तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट आएगा, पैसा आएगा, लोगों को खुशहाली आएगी. देयर विल बी ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. गॉट इट. एंड यू गो टू सम बैंक्स फॉर लोन्स, दे विल आल्सो गिव आइडिया. यू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस, इट विल वर्क. बिकॉज बैंक मैनेजर आल्सो वांट्स टू गिव मनी ना. बैंक्स आर नॉट देयर टू कीप योर मनी, दे आल्सो गिव द मनी ऑन इंटरेस्ट, एंड ही विल गिव इट टू द पीपल सो दैट ही गेट्स बैक द मनी एंड आल्सो द इंटरेस्ट. So bank manager also financially they are very wise people. They know all about how to give loans, take loans, and which is the business which can flourish in that area, right? And lastly, if exhibitions are there, trade fairs are there, there also you can go and get lot of ideas. Now coming to market feasibility study. Tell me, how you are going to study the market feasibility? What is the nature of product, cost of production, selling price and profit, demand क्या है, market share क्या है, and target market क्या है. So first you should see what is the target market. Now suppose he is going to sell a vehicle for 40,000 rupees. Let us say the entry level vehicle he wants to. So whom he is going to target? Suraj? Whom you are going to target? It will be a target market. Who will be the customer? Now customer means you have got people from 0 years to 80 years, correct? So age also matters. 40 to 60. Why young people will not buy, you want to say? No, there are products. See, there are products which young people buy. There are products which elderly people buy. ठीक है? All elderly people will not buy these products, young people product. उनका अलग segment रहता है. So you may say students who are going to schools, colleges, ladies who are going to offices, है ना, correct? Elderly people also. So you will have proper market, target market रहना चाहिए कि ऐसे लोगों को promote करें. You cannot promote it to person who is having already 2-3 big cars, बड़े बड़े पैसे वाला. उसको वो नहीं लेगा, वो 40,000 का नहीं लेगा, वो लेगा, बड़ा लेगा वो. So you have to go and tell what other day you were telling, na, create awareness. I was also not knowing vehicles are available for 40,000-50,000 rupees. I was also not. People, you have to make it people aware, na? Because that Ola car is costing 1 lakh something, 1.2 lakhs. Ola and that Ather, they are costing more than 1.2 lakh, 1.4 lakhs cost. So 40,000 में भी आता है तो मालूम होना चाहिए ना लोगों को. Then they'll see whether spares are available, उसका reliability क्या है, servicing क्या है. Correct है ना? All these aspects come into picture. Demand क्या है? Is there demand for electrical vehicles? Why? Yes. Why? Because now people are becoming more and more aware of environment. People are becoming more and more aware of environment. So they think, अरे हम भी कुछ करेंगे environment के लिए. They are pitching in for electrical vehicles. समझ आ रहा ना? डिमांड ऐसा ही आता है, ऐसा नहीं आता. नहीं तो क्या करते हैं लोग? हाउ दे क्रिएट डिमांड एक्चुअली. ये दुनिया में सबसे बड़ा इंडस्ट्री कौन सा है मालूम है? सबसे बड़ा एडवर्टाइज जो बिजनेस है वर्ल्ड में, इंडिया का नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, इज एडवर्टाइजमेंट बिजनेस. क्या बिजनेस? द बिगेस्ट बिजनेस इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज एडवर्टाइजमेंट. बाकी सब बकवास है उसके सामने. तुम लोग खरीदते हो ना सोप, विच सोप यू यूज? ऐसा फास्ट डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. हाँ, विच सोप? डव. हाँ, you use soap or no? Why you are looking backside? Huh? Himalaya. Synthol. Santur. See, this is a very special fellow. Because the Santur ad with a mummy. So I think something wrong with Lester. He is identifying with the wrong product. Now basically, no. Now you said Himalaya, you said Dow. What you said? Santur. Because you identify with the ad. I'll tell you, honestly I'll tell you, you first identify with the ad. Do you think these all people who are giving these ads, they are using those products? No. That Shah Rukh Khan is doing like this. Kya? That is kya? What is that? Ad? I was surprised. What is this ad? That another fellow is there. Kya? Ajay Devgan. What is that? I myself don't know. मैंने अभी तक नहीं खाया उसको. क्या है वो? Tobacco? नहीं, tobacco you can't advertise in TV. It is not tobacco. Something is there. Tobacco you can't advertise. Now, why I am telling this? What is ऐसा कर रहा हूँ क्या? What is उसका relevance क्या है? Significance क्या है? सारा उल्लू बना रहा लोगों को. I'll tell you. Honestly, I'll tell you, all these advertisements are fooling the people. And you are in a very big spell, I'll tell you. Most of the people, 90% of the educated people today, they are under the spell of advertisements. You understand the word spell, na? उसके माया में है सब लोग. Sir, you are surviving because of breathing air, no brand. You are surviving because of drinking water, no brand. You are surviving because you are eating food given by nature. उसको कोई इज्जत नहीं करता. बट वी आर सोप, शू, और जॉकी, और साला अबे आदमी जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स उसके बारे में कोई सोच नहीं रहा. और ये फालतू की चीज़ पे सब ब्रांडिंग है. एंड सी इट अ वेरी बिग थिंग आई एम टेलिंग, नॉट अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बिग थिंग. बिकॉज यू सी एनी चाइल्ड आल्सो ही विल से है मेरे को कैडबरीज का ही चाहिए, मेरे को यही चाहिए, क्योंकि वो दिमाग में फिट हो गया. और एक बार इंडिया में ना दिमाग में फिट हो गया ना तो दिमाग से निकलता भी नहीं हो. ये ऑब्जर्व कट, एक बार दिमाग में फिट हो गया ना देन वो आदमी निकलता नहीं. नहीं, मैं आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल, मैं यही यूज़ करता हूँ, मैं 50 साल से यही यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रांड लॉयल्टी. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रांड लॉयल्टी. उल्लू इतना बना के रख दिया लोगों को कि लोग अभी उसको छोड़ के दूसरा सोचते भी नहीं. समझ? बिकॉज वी आर टोटली कैरिड अवे एडवर्टाइजमेंट. करेक्ट है कि नहीं? So understood what is market feasibility study? So you'll see what are the target market, तुम्हारा मार्केट के शेयर कितना हो सकता है तुम्हारा, तुम क्या कॉस्ट पे बेचोगे उसको, क्या तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट आएगा. हाँ. नेक्स्ट इज टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी. टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी स्टडी में तुमको लोकेशन कहाँ है, प्रोजेक्ट कहाँ डालना चाहते हो, ठीक है. देन लैंड बिल्डिंग चाहिए उसके लिए. हाँ? और बाद में रॉ मटेरियल्स चाहिए. देन मशीनरी चाहिए. दिस फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेसिकली. मशीनरी चाहिए. दिस आल्सो इज आई थिंक आउटडेटेड बिकॉज नाउ टुडे मेनी थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग ऑन ऐप. Many things are happening on app. This physical infrastructure is not required. Now you can do it most of the things are done on app. Even घर का बेचना, खरीदना, this all things ना, financial transaction, all are doing on app. Even banks are available on app nowadays. ठीक है. Then utilities means पानी कितना चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, गैस चाहिए, पेट्रोल डीजल चाहिए जनरेटर के लिए. That is required. Then production capacity. कितना बनाओगे तुम, बेच रहा, सपोज यू वांट टू मैन्युफैक्चर एंड सेल, कितना बिकेगा. अभी सपोज द मार्केट इटसेल्फ इज 20,000, सो एवरी ईयर यू मे बी एबल टू सेल 2,000. सो उतना ही बनाना चाहिए ना. ये नहीं कि ज़्यादा बनाने तो क्या हो जाता है, स्टॉक आ जाता है. ठीक है ना. ज़्यादा स्टॉक ऑल्सो वेरी डेंजरस. करेक्ट. वाई इट इज डेंजरस? अगर तुम्हारे घर में तुम लोग एक थैला चावल खाते हो महीने का, तो एक साल का 12 थैला ला के रख देते हो क्या? हाँ, नहीं रखते. क्यों? एक खराब होता है. नेक्स्ट, उसमें पैसा लगता है, पैसा ब्लॉक हो जाता है ना. थर्ड, घर में स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है. करेक्ट है ना. चोरी हो सकता है. यू अंडरस्टैंड, लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी देयर. सो दैट इज वाई वी कीप नाउअडेज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ JIT, जस्ट इन टाइम. इन्वेंट्री रखते नहीं है ज़्यादा. नाउ इवन फिजिकली दे डोंट कीप. नाउ इफ यू गो टू द बिग शोरूम, नेक्सा शोरूम एंड ऑल दिस कार्स, दे विल शो इट ऑन ऐप. वो क्या होता है उसको, टैब. दे विल शो सर ऐसा है, फ्रंट व्यू, रियर व्यू, 360 डिग्रीज व्यू. दे विल शो कि नहीं. करेक्ट कि नहीं. आई हैव सीन नेक्सा, दे आर शोन कार इज नॉट देयर, कलर रेड कलर इट लुक लाइक दिस, वाइट कलर लुक लाइक दिस. हमको साला कार नहीं देखा ना उधर, तो वो दिखाएगा. वो ही कैनॉट कीप 10 कार्स देयर. ही हैज गॉट स्पेस फॉर 1 or 2. तुम बोले ये जाएगी, मेरे को ये दे, नीला कलर का दिखा, ये बोले लाल वाला दिखा, तो क्या सब रखेगा क्या? तो ये लाल, ये नीला, वो ऐसा बटन मार के दिखाएगा. समझ ना. दिस इज टेक्नोलॉजी बॉस, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. जब हम तुम्हारे एज के थे, ब्रोचर देते थे लोग, बड़े बड़े ऐसा ब्रोचर. नाउ हु ब्लडी रीड्स ब्रोचर? ऑल ई ब्रोचर्स, ऑल. And now that QR codes are there. Scan the code, log into the website. Correct? What is QR code?
Barcode, pixel code.
Barcode is different. You don't talk of bar and all. All the time you are talking about bar. Okay. QR code. What is QR code? Quick read. Huh? Paytm. All the correct. Pixels only. Yes. But don't tell bar gear and all. Most of the time I have seen we are telling, so you are diverting the topic basically. Then financial feasibility. Financial feasibility said, as I said, the great fear what people have is about money. Financial feasibility, if a project is really worthwhile, then it will click. If it is meeting the needs of the customer, it will click. Correct? But there are a lot of tricks. Usme bhi a lot of tricks. Promotion. Now you see in India, big billion sale, Amazon, Flipkart, they will have grand festival sale. There, you know how many 500,000 crores का business करते हैं वो लोग 4 दिन में. कितना? Correct? Correct? How? एडवर्टाइजमेंट. वो मालूम है, ये उल्लू है लोग है साले. न्यू ईयर को सब खरीदने वाले हैं. न्यू ईयर को हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, चलो न्यू ईयर सेल. एंड आई टेल यू, व्हेन आई बॉट दैट अर्लियर फोन्स ना, उसमें सेल रहता था. विद इन 3 minutes 2 minutes ओनली दैट फोन विल गेट सोल्ड आउट. आई बॉट अराउंड 4-5 एवरी ईयर. आई यूज्ड टू बाय न्यू फोन. सेल ओनली फॉर 5, बिकॉज देयर इज नो मिडल मैन देयर. मैन्युफैक्चरर से डायरेक्टली इट कम्स टू यू. तो नो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, मेगा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, डीलर, सब डीलर, कुछ भी नहीं, सीधा डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चर से कंज्यूमर को. Now I gave the example of Amazon because you just imagine. Now I am not promoting any product or any company. Amazon, this is what you call, I don't know what you call them, e-business, e-commerce, ये है ना, मिंत्रा, correct? ये सब, they know how to not fool you. They are only providing service, good quality service. And because of them, I'll tell you honestly, because of them, the prices of many things have come down. Because of the e-commerce, lot of people are buying now. The ease of buying is there. Ease of buying is there. And people are encouraged to buy because there are some discounts. And those people, Flipkart, Amazon, whatever e-commerce, they don't buy, suppose he is selling one shirt, he will not buy one shirt, 10 shirt, he will buy in thousands. So the company manufacturer fellow also will give them at very low rates, very competitive rates. Because वो लाखों में खरीद रहा है ना उसका प्रोडक्ट, तो बहुत सस्ते रेट पे बना के देते हैं, तभी वो लोग सस्ता रेट बेच सकते हैं. नहीं तो the same thing you go and buy in the local market, Karwar market, 100% it will not be sold at the same rate, never. नेवर, बिकॉज इनका मार्जिन अलग है, इनके पास बिजनेस नहीं होता ना. यहाँ का बिजनेस टर्नओवर बहुत कम है, उनका बिजनेस टर्नओवर बहुत हाई है. ओके, देन व्हाट आर द सोर्सेज ऑफ कैपिटल? यू मे बाय, यू मे हैव सम मनी, यू मे पेरेंट्स में हैव मनी, यू मे टेक ए लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक, यू मे टेक लोन फ्रॉम द फैमिली मेम्बर्स, करेक्ट? यू मे रेज सम कैपिटल लेटर ऑन. कैपिटल पैसा आना चाहिए ना, लैंड, बिल्डिंग, इसके लिए वगैरह. I have given one order for manufacturing windows here. Some Ramnath Mohan, na? Left side there is one Ramnath window banata hai. Chota shed. You see, he is an entrepreneur. I'll tell you honestly. Ramnath Mohan, na? Next 2 kilometers from here, he makes that windows doors out of UPVC, white color. You might see small shed like thing is there. Small welding machine, small drilling machine he is having. वो बड़ा फैक्ट्री नहीं है, बहुत बड़ा बड़ा काम करता है वो. सीबर्ड के लिए ही सप्लाइज यूपीवीसी, इवन गोवा ही सप्लाइज. आई हैव सीन, ही हैज गॉट लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर्स, लॉट ऑफ मटेरियल इज देयर. प्लीज, व्हाई आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल मींस ही इज अ रियल एंटरप्रेन्योर. ही बाइज द मटेरियल, ही मेक्स द दिस एंड गिव्स. एंड नो अदर फेलो मेक्स हियर. इवन वेयर आई स्टे इन माय प्लेस, नोबडी मेक्स out of UPVC. They make out of aluminum, but he makes out of UPVC. It's superior, and it has got a lot of good properties, like eco-friendly है ये, environment friendly when compared to aluminum, steel and all, and more life, and it is even acoustically it is good. Okay, so I am just telling how people become entrepreneurs. Even the fish vendor who sells, they are also entrepreneurs. They buy fish, they know when to buy, what quantity, how to sell, where to sell. You see, they have got a lot of that business acumen, that is known as business acumen or business sense. Okay, then what are the subsidies available? Subsidy means suppose you borrow 1 crore rupees from bank, government of India may give some percent, 10% subsidy. So 10 lakh rupees maaf. You know this, no? Subsidy. You need not pay it back. That kind of lot of schemes are available, subsidies. And there is something called break-even analysis. You know what is break-even analysis? Break-even analysis means simple. I'll give. Now I told there is a shop here. He is making windows. Okay, one example I give. Suppose he is employing 5 people and he is paying 10,000 rupees per month to them. So उनका salary कितना हो गया? 50,000 rupees. करंट का उसका बिल पकड़ के रेंट पकड़े और एक 10,000 रुपये, कितना हो गया? 60,000 rupees. It is his net cost. Whether he is making anything, he is not making, he has to pay that money. 60,000. Now, if he sells, suppose 2 lakh rupees of items per month, if he sells 2 lakh rupees, then 2 लाख रुपए, तो उसमें 60,000 रुपीज़ उसको बच गया. कितना बच गया? 60,000 बच गया. If he does a business of 2 lakh rupees per month, he gets a saving of 60,000 rupees. Then this is called as break even. Break even means no profit, no loss. Break even बोलते no profit, no loss. But if he does a business of 4 lakhs, then his cost will be still 60,000 only, because only the same salary he is paying, 50,000 and 10,000 rupees for electricity. But उसका जो बाकी का टर्नओवर में प्रॉफिट उसका ज़्यादा है. समझ आया ना. So minimum business what the person is supposed to do so that he is neither is into profit nor into loss is known as break even. Got it? So कितना क्वांटिटी में या कितना पैसे डीलिंग का होना चाहिए so that the organization is not into profit or into loss. One thing. Second, there is something called return on investment. Return on investment means that is a very fantastic term. Suppose now you take loan. Now anybody gives you loan, he will give free or he will charge you interest. They will charge you interest. Suppose they are charging you 10% interest. Same case you take. He has invested, say, in that business. I think he has invested to bring raw material, that shed and all. Suppose he has invested 5 lakhs. He has invested 5 lakhs. Okay. So 10% interest means how much he has to pay per year? 50,000 rupees interest. Correct? Suppose he has to say 50,000 interest and again that 60,000 rupees fixed cost is there every year. Right? Now if the person is doing that business and every month he is getting a net profit of say 2 lakhs. Net profit of 2 lakhs. He is giving 60,000 rupees for this salary, 50,000 rupees for, then he is still having money on that, still having extra money. So that is the return on investment. He has invested 5 lakhs, he is making 2 lakh rupees per month. That is the return on investment. You got it? So if your return on investment is good, then only people will invest money. You can take another case also. You can take another case. Suppose he has invested 5 lakhs and 1 month he did not get any orders. For some, not 1 month, some months he did not get orders. Even though he did not get orders, he has to pay that interest 50,000. He has to pay the 60,000 rupees also. You agree with me? So उसका negative में जाएगा. पैसा उसका negative में. So he will be in loss. That is known as loss. You understand? So that is why return means whatever money we have invested, whatever it may be, for land, building, payment of salary, purchase of raw material, what is the return I am getting? And this may be calculated on a monthly basis. Just for ease of understanding, I told it is on monthly basis. It can be done on an annual basis also. Because in any business, it is like something seasonal. कुछ सीजन में ज़्यादा रहेगा, कुछ सीजन में कम रहेगा. Now I was telling about e-commerce company, it is not that all the 365 days they are doing that business. Now, their business, if you look back, some Dasara, Deepavali, Christmas, New Year, maybe some maximum 365 days, some 30 days they are doing business. Rest all the days, very low business. You got my point? So what is return on investment? So if you are taking the money at 10% interest, so you should be getting at least 15%, 20% returns on that. Then only you can compensate this. I am borrowing money at 10% interest, so my whatever business I am doing, the return should be more than 10%. Then only that is viable. Otherwise it will get into loss. That is called financially not viable. Okay? So you understood? And that is why balance sheet, they call balance sheet. आया कितना, गया कितना. पैसा आया कितना और गया कितना. You also do the balance sheet. Your parents give some money to you every month. So how much you spend, आया कितना, गया कितना, balance है कितना. Then cost of labor and technology, that also comes in this. And last final part is the social feasibility report. Social feasibility report means I told you, suppose you want to start some politic industry in the residential area, will the people allow? No. That is why you find industrial areas are different, away from the towns. Correct? Because they will have smoke, they will have noise pollution, so many things. So social issues also very important. Suppose you want to do, this Machi market is very common here, because Machi, people are used to Machi, but you go to some other places, they will not allow you to sell Machi anywhere. In Karwar, you can sell Machi anywhere, correct? But in other places you can't sell, because people are not used to that, na? You are getting me? Here people are very used to that, so it is okay, but कुछ लोगों को smell भी नहीं आता जम के. So the society or the people who are staying in the closed area, they will object if you want to start some business like that. So it should have no objection from the neighbors. It should not create, the business should not create nuisance to the society, public, and there should be no pollution. So you got the point. So in this class, what we discussed? We first discussed what are the role of entrepreneurs in economic development. Then we came to barriers. What are the various barriers to entrepreneurship? Then we discussed about identification of business opportunities. Then we saw the sources of business ideas, and lastly the feasibility, market feasibility, financial feasibility, social feasibility, and technical feasibility. Okay, thank you.